Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. Advanced auto search and auto generation. What is this feature and how this is going to help you guys while writing the automation script and playing around with the selectors and DOM? Let me show you. So today, like generally what we do, we have seen that how we can write the XPath and selectors and how we can verify them. Yes, that's pretty much good. And like you have seen in free version that you can write /a and verify all your XPath and everything, like 81 matching nodes are there, and all of them you can see it here in the selector sub window. Okay, that all were cool, but there were some things like, let's say you want to generate XPath for any particular element, like here you see that like you are seeing products pro etc, all these things are there. So for any particular element you want to generate, or suppose you are, this is the 35th one, this is 35th matching node and I want to generate XPath for this element. So first we will have to inspect this element and then we have to like generate the XPath for that and write the XPath for that. Or if I want to like keep on traversing like one by one, let's say there are 81 matching nodes and out of those 81 I just wanted to traverse back and forth in the DOM and I want to see where those elements are existing. So that all things were missing. Yes, like of course you will be thinking that how this feature is going to helpful, where we need this over the time when you will be like playing around and writing a lot of selectors and writing more automation script. That's where this feature is going to really help a lot, and it will make things easy while traversing in the DOM and playing around with the selectors. Let me show you how. So here we have the 81 matching node. Perfect. Now I'm scrolling in the DOM and seeing, looking at the element. Okay, this is this element, this is the donate button here and all, like, so we'll keep on scrolling and that's where we found that okay, this is the 53rd one, this is the 40th one. Now suppose we want to generate XPath for this element. What you can do, how this is going to help you in auto generation, you just click on this node here and SelectorsHub Pro will automatically generate the XPath and selectors for that element. And here it will show you that this is the 40th one out of 81, this is the 40th one, and here it has generated this. This is really incredible. Suppose again you hit it. Now for any other particular element you want, so you have, like, we have inspected this element in here, this is the Telegram group link here, you see that that is highlighted in red outline. Select this one and it will generate selector for that particular element, and this is the 80th one. So this is how you can auto generate the selector for any particular element where there are more than one elements matching and you want for any particular element. Like let's say one more example I will give you. Suppose we inspect this element, enter your company here. Okay, and now if we write the selector for this one, we are writing selector for this one, let's say input, and then there are a couple of elements here, let's say name, and it is finding, here it is finding four elements. These are four elements here, and now you see that this is one, this one is not highlighting anything in UI, this is not highlighting, this is not highlighting, and this is highlighting one. So I can just click here and it will, here it will generate the selector for that particular element. So you see that it is generating, like this is the second one, whichever element will be, so that it will generate here. Let me take another example. Let me show you on the simple page here, let's say google.com, and open the page here. Let's open SelectorsHub Pro here. Okay, so here suppose we have written /a. Now you see that here there are like these three elements are there on right top corner. So the first matching node is this Gmail, then all these things. So if you hover here, you see that those are highlighted in the UI. Okay, likewise. So you keep scrolling, it will keep on showing that, and it used to highlight when you hover and it make that element visible, scroll and highlight in the red outline. Okay, so this is for Gmail, this is for images. So if you suppose we want for this images, so you just select this element and it will generate the XPath for that, and it will show you that here, it will show you here that this is the second one out of these 25 for this XPath, and this is the XPath for images. So you can copy this or like cssSelector or whichever you want, that you can take it from here. Now, so this is good that we can now generate the we can auto generate the XPath for any particular element when there are like multiple matching nodes are there. So you just click on that matching node and you will get the selector for that particular element. Good. And here you will not have to like search that element in the DOM, then you will have to like write that element, write the selector for that element. No, all that has been saved. Another great thing here is, if you notice that when we hit it here and you are scrolling that here, and suppose that element is hidden somewhere in the DOM, okay, like this, let me just hit it. So this is the first element, this is the second images one. So right now you see that in the DOM it is selected this div, but if when you click on this element here, it will also scroll the DOM and it will show you that element, okay, that this is that element. So now I want to generate the XPath for this images one. I will click on this node here. You see that it has scrolled this here. You are seeing this selectors for this element here, and it is highlighted here, and this is the second matching node. So this way you can do it easily. Cool. Another great thing, auto search, advanced search. Hit enter. Now there are 25 elements matching, okay, and this is first one. Now we want to traverse one by one rather than like scrolling here and clicking on them. Okay, that is one thing that of course you can do it, like you got all of them here and you can see and just select that. If you don't want to do that, this is another great feature of advanced search here. You just click on this back and forward button to traverse through throughout the elements. Like 25 elements are there, you want to generate selectors or XPath for them, you just start clicking on this next button and you see that it start generating them one by one. And notice that it will also scroll the DOM here. So you keep clicking here and it will take you to the next. So this is fourth one, this is fifth element, this is sixth anchor tag in the page, this is seventh anchor tag, this is eighth anchor tag, and these are the XPath and selectors for them. So this will help you a lot when you are like doing manual testing, writing automation script, playing around with the DOM, and you have to like look out for the particular element in the DOM. So in that case, it will really help you a lot. So when you will be doing this, so you would be like, let's say how many input tags are there in this page. So hit enter, there are 9. You can start clicking on this next, and you will keep on getting then, okay, which one is that, which one is that. So this is how it will help you to get all those selectors or XPath or selector, whatever you want, that you can do it here. So this is how this advanced search and auto generation is going to help you guys a lot to save a lot of time. And this way you can easily generate and get the XPath and selectors whenever there are multiple matching nodes for your XPath or you want to play around. I hope you like this feature. Over the time, this feature will evolve a lot and it will help you guys when you will be writing a lot of selectors, lot of XPath. So this will really help you guys a lot. Let me know your thoughts about this feature in the comment section. Please do like, share, and let others know about SelectorsHub Pro. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to get all such upcoming innovation updates from SelectorsHub site. And with that, thank you so much.